What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to be looking at 5 wonderful Chrome extension I believe everybody should have in his browser. So let's get right into it. The first Chrome extension is called Mate, and what Mate is a translator app. So Mate helps you to translate content online. Like if you go to a website and you want to translate a particular text into another language, you can easily do this with Mate. So I like the extension Mate because of its design. It's quite simple and it's quite efficient. I've already had to try Google Translate, but I didn't appreciate the design and I didn't really like how it worked. So Mate is quite easy. All you have to do is to come to the extension icon up there and enter whatever text you want to translate on the left side, and you see the results on the right side. You can choose the languages, and it has an automatic feature to detect whatever language you're typing in. So if I write something in French, it's going to automatically swap these two languages, and if I write something even in Spanish, it's going to detect that it's in Spanish. So I really like it. A quick shortcut you can do is double click and it's going to copy the text automatically for you. Then you can paste it wherever you want to paste it. So I really appreciate the simplicity of this Chrome extension. It's quite straightforward, quite fast, and the design is quite unique. I really like that. Another wonderful feature I like about this particular extension Mate is that it allows you to translate the entire page, the entire web page. So all you have to do is a right click and you come down to open full page translation. A pop-up appears at the top right corner. Then you just click translate to whatever language of you like to translate into. Then what it does is that it changes automatically the text on the website, so it doesn't reload to another page, it doesn't go to a different tab. It just translates automatically the text on that web page. So as you can see, the text has turned into French and it's wonderful. It translates everything that is text on the page. You can see even the navigation has been translated into French, so it's wonderful. I really like the way this website works, the way this extension works. It's really wonderful. So that's a wonderful extension and I definitely recommend it to everybody. It's amazing. So moving on to the next extension, here we have Bitly. And what is Bitly? Bitly is a shortening application, so you can definitely shorten links. So if for example you have this very long link that is very complicated, very long, and definitely difficult to remember, nobody will be able to remember such a very long link with complicated characters. So what you want to do is shorten it and make it a little more presentable. So what you can do is you come to the extension Bitly and it essentially copies whatever you have in you have already copied previously. It puts it in here, or you can as well paste it manually. Then you click on create link. Then it's going to do what they call shortening, and it transforms that very long and ugly link into this very short link, which is way more presentable. So now you can copy it and you can paste it anywhere. So this long link now becomes something very short and very presentable that everybody can remember now. So once you click enter, it will take you back to the very same link. It does not change the link, it takes you back to the very same place, you see. So that it just helps you to share links which are way more presentable, way more short, and really it optimizes the presentation of the link, if I may say that. So it's definitely a wonderful extension. You should check it. You should definitely check it out. So all you have to do is just come up here to the icon, you click on it, and you can shorten whatever link you want to shorten. So moving on to the next Chrome extension is a spell checker from the website reverso.net. So it can happen that you are not quite confident about what you're saying, what you wrote, or really what you even saw somewhere. So you want to check if the grammar is correct, if the spellings are done correctly, and you can essentially do this with this Chrome extension. So it has a wonderful website where you can go and check whatever text to check the accuracy in every language you can imagine: French, English, any language you would like to check the grammar. So you also have the Chrome extension that you can come to at the top right, and you can paste the text there and do all those verifications as well. So I really like this extension because it allows me to really check my French, check my English if I've not made a mistake, if I've not said something in the wrong way. So I really appreciate this. So this website has wonderful features. It also has a translator, context, grammar check, synonyms, and even conjugation. So it's definitely a website I'm going to recommend to everybody. So moving on to the next Chrome extension, we have Speechify. So Speechify is one of my favorite Chrome extension, and basically what it allows you to do is to turn any website from text to audio. So when you're browsing through a blog, you might not always have all the time to really focus and read through all of the long content of the blog, and maybe you just want to listen to it. So this extension allows you to transform any web page you go into audio. So for example, if you come to my blog riojema.com, what the extension allows you to do, it creates this pop-up here at the top right corner, and all you need to do is click play, and it's going to cycle through all of the content of the website and convert that into audio. So as you can see, it's moving through all the text and reading it out loud. So right now I can hear it in my earphones, and so it really goes through all the content. You can change different settings about it. You can increase the speed, change the voice type, and any customization you would like to do on the audio. So it's really a wonderful extension. I really like it a lot, especially because I write also a lot. You can check out my blog. So definitely you have a whole bunch of text that now becomes audio, and you can listen to it while focusing on other things. So hopefully you check out this wonderful Chrome extension. It's very useful. Moving on to the last Chrome extension, it's called Image Downloader. So I really like this extension because it allows me to download images from any website I go to. So you might go to a website and you would just like to download a particular image. One thing you can do is right click on the image and save the image as, but sometimes you might meet websites where the image is, you're not allowed to right click, or maybe the image is in a format that you don't like or you don't appreciate, or maybe you even want to download just a whole bunch of images quickly. So with this extension, all you need to do is click on the extension, and it's really going to just grab all the images that are on the web page and gives you a button with which you can just download them instantly. So definitely this is a wonderful Chrome extension you should check out. It's very, very, hopefully you enjoyed the video as well. Catch you on the next one.